In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted Trello board, or more specifically, how to restore archived content inside a Trello board step by step. If you thought your board or lists were gone forever, don't worry. In many cases, they're just archived and can be restored in a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get everything back quickly and safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to your main dashboard where all your boards are displayed. This is the Boards page, and you can access it by clicking on your profile or workspace and selecting Boards. Here you'll see all your active boards. Now, if you're trying to recover something from a board that still exists, click on that specific board to open it. Once the board is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a 3 dots menu. This is the board menu, where additional settings and options are located. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots to expand the menu. After opening the menu, scroll through the options until you find Archived Items. This is where Trello stores lists and cards that have been removed from the main board view but not permanently deleted. Click on Archived Items to continue. Inside the Archived Items section, you'll see different tabs. Click on Lists to view all archived lists associated with this board. This is especially helpful if you accidentally archived an entire list and thought it was deleted. Now you'll see a list of all archived lists. Find the specific list you want to recover. Once you locate it, click on the Restore button next to that list. As soon as you click Restore, Trello will immediately return that list to your active board view in its original position or at the side of your board. After restoring the list, you can close the Archived Items panel by clicking the X button at the top of the menu. This will take you back to your full board view, where you can confirm that your list has been successfully restored. If you don't see your board at all on the main dashboard, it may have been closed instead of deleted. In that case, go to your workspace settings and check for closed boards, where you may have the option to reopen them. Keep in mind that permanently deleted boards cannot be recovered, but archived lists and closed boards can often be restored easily using the method I just showed you. And that's it. That's how you recover a deleted Trello board or restore archived lists in Trello. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you recover your Trello content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.